Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a clean environment. Install Python 3. 10 plus, enable pip, and create a virtual env. Once done, pick an engine, Pygame for straightforward 2D, or Godot with a Python plugin for more structure. Make sure to initialize a Git repository now so you can track changes. Then install required libraries with pip. This gets you coding immediately rather than fighting setup later, and it guarantees reproducible builds and easier collaboration as your project grows. Now implement the core loop. Handle input, update game state, then render. Use a fixed time step for physics and delta time for smooth movement. Next, structure code into clear modules, assets, entities, physics, UI, and audio so you can iterate fast. Load sprite sheets and pack animations, apply collision layers and spatial partitioning for performance. Use object pooling for bullets and particles. Once these systems interconnect, you'll have a maintainable engine where adding features is incremental and reliably testable. Finish by profiling and optimizing. Find CPU and GPU hotspots, reduce draw calls, and compress large assets. Once optimized, export builds, use PyInstaller or engine exporters for desktop, and package resources separately to keep installs small. Test on target hardware early. Make sure fallback behavior exists for missing features like shaders or high-res textures. If something breaks, check logs, reproduce cases, and isolate by disabling systems one at a time, graphics, audio, input, until you find the culprit and fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.